In this video, I'll show you how to mention people in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where you want to mention someone. Once the board loads, locate the item or task where you want to leave the mention. Click on the task name to open the item update section. This is the area where comments and conversations happen for that task. Inside the update box, click where you want to type your message. Now type the @ symbol on your keyboard. As soon as you type it, a list of team members and users will appear automatically. Start typing the name of the person you want to mention. When their name appears in the list, click on it. The mention will now be added directly into your message. You can continue typing the rest of your comment or instructions afterward. For example, you could write something like, at HT member, please review this task before Friday. Once your message is ready, click the send or update button to post it. The person you mentioned will usually receive a notification inside Monday.com and possibly through email depending on their notification settings. And that's how to mention people in Monday.com.